Hello, children. Do you know what the word can means? We use can to talk about things we are able to do. Now let's learn 100 fun I can sentences together.
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
I can jump high.
I can jump high.
I can walk.
I can walk.
I can read.
I can read.
I can write.
I can write.
I can sing.
I can sing.
I can tie my shoes.
I can tie my shoes.
I can say hello.
I can say hello.
I can wear my clothes.
I can wear my clothes.
I can comb my hair.
I can comb my hair.
I can dance.
I can dance.
I can draw.
I can draw.
I can eat.
I can eat.
I can drink.
I can drink.
I can smile.
I can smile.
I can paint.
I can paint.
I can be happy.
I can be happy.
I can play the piano.
I can play the piano.
I can play the drum.
I can play the drum.
I can fly a kite.
I can fly a kite.
I can travel in a bus.
I can travel in a bus.
I can send a letter.
I can send a letter.
I can answer the phone.
I can answer the phone.
I can spell words.
I can spell words.
I can say my age.
I can say my age.
I can read a clock.
I can read a clock.
I can love my family.
I can love my family.
I can kiss my mum.
I can kiss my mom.
I can hug my friend.
I can hug my friend.
I can stomp my feet.
I can stomp my feet.
I can snap my fingers.
I can snap my fingers.
I can clap my hands.
I can clap my hands.
I can make a puzzle.
I can make a puzzle.
I can build with blocks.
I can build with blocks.
I can swing.
I can swing.
I can slide.
I can slide.
I can play in the park.
I can play in the park.
I can sing a song.
I can sing a song.
I can read a poem.
I can read a poem.
I can write on the board.
I can write on the board.
I can answer a question.
I can answer a question.
I can listen to teacher.
I can listen to teacher.
I can stand in line.
I can stand in line.
I can sit on a chair.
I can sit on a chair.
I can go to school.
I can go to school.
I can pack my bag.
I can pack my bag.
I can clean my room.
I can clean my room.
I can help in the garden.
I can help in the garden.
I can take care of my pet.
I can take care of my pet.
I can feed animals.
I can feed animals.
I can water plants.
I can water plants.
I can look at the moon.
I can look at the moon.
I can read a map.
I can read a map.
I can touch my toes.
I can touch my toes.
I can taste.
I can taste.
I can smell.
I can smell.
I can see.
I can see.
I can hear.
I can hear.
I can listen.
I can listen.
I can whistle.
I can whistle.
I can clap.
I can clap.
I can say please.
I can say please.
I can say sorry.
I can say sorry.
I can say thank you.
I can say thank you.
I can share my toys.
I can share my toys.
I can help my friend.
I can help my friend.
I can help my dad.
I can help my dad.
I can use a fork.
I can use a fork.
I can use a spoon.
I can use a spoon.
I can use scissors.
I can use scissors.
I can use a pencil.
I can use a pencil.
I can say A to Z.
I can say A to Z.
I can read the alphabet.
I can read the alphabet.
I can spell my name.
I can spell my name.
I can read numbers.
I can read numbers.
I can count to 10.
I can count to 10.
I can say goodbye.
I can say goodbye.
I can say hello.
I can say hello.
I can wear my clothes.
I can wear my clothes.
I can tie my shoes.
I can tie my shoes.
I can comb my hair.
I can comb my hair.
I can brush my teeth.
I can brush my teeth.
I can wash my hands.
I can wash my hands.
I can play with toys.
I can play with toys.
I can play football.
I can play football.
I can play cricket.
I can play cricket.
I can read a story.
I can read a story.
I can ride a horse.
I can ride a horse.
I can ride a bike.
I can ride a bike.
I can throw.
I can throw.
I can catch.
I I can catch.
I can kick.
I can kick.
I can hop.
I can hop.
I can skip.
I can skip.
I can swim.
I can swim.